செய்யனத்தில் செய்வினை சுடுமலால் உய்வகை எதிரே அருணாச்சலா வாவென்ற அம்புக்குள் வாழ்வர்கள் என்று என் வாழ்விழந்தே நல்ல அருணாச்சலா நமோ ரமணா. I posted a topic on the necessity of humility in Tamil. I thought I will put the same thing across the same lines in English as well, the same topic. So why humility is essential? It is more essential to us because we are bound by Maya left and right. Even when there is a toothache or headache, we suffer a lot like ignorant. We are dependent on medicines. We are dependent on financial security. We are dependent on our profession. We are dependent on others for each and everything. Totally bound. We know our boundary. We know our limitations. May it be natural calamities like a pandemic or a flood, or may it be a body related ailment. We suffer and we feel less powerful, and we are not there to practice discrimination amidst all this. When there is happiness, we laugh, but at the same time, when there is sorrow, we all cry, absolutely still bound by Maya in the Vyavaharika truth. No matter what highest Advaitic talks we hear, no matter what Advaitic practices we do, at the end of the day, Maya is daily preaching us a lesson that you are still within me boundary, you are still considering all this as true, you are still bound, that's why you are still sorrowful. So with all these limitations, whenever there is a gap, we are doing something called as sadhana. We have embraced a guru and we are doing our best, that is good, but at the same time we cannot boast about it, because that also has come by Guru's grace, is not it? So what is really here in this world for us to boast about? That I am doing efforts, or I am doing sadhana, or that person is not doing sadhana? No, absolutely no, because inch by inch we are dependent. Even when we skip one time meals or one time medicine, we are suffering the consequences. So that much bound we are to the body. And believe me or not, no matter how successful a person is, this body is going to teach a hardest lesson to each and everyone in the planet before it gets departed. So absolutely, there is nothing to boast about. So circumstances themselves are a signpost to practice humility. So let us all be humble and do Arunachala Smarana and think about our beloved Guru Bhavan Sri Ramana Maharishi. Puttedithane Vettavilil ni Nattamade nenu Arunachala Moham the Virtun Mohamai Vittuman Moham Dirpayan Arunachala Mauniya Ratpan Malaradarandan Maunamidamo Arunachala Evanin Vail Mandani Etti Enbiri Purithum Arunachala Namo Ramana.